Alright, time for round one. Let's see what we lost the die roll and our opponent chose to play first. This is not the start that we are looking for, so I'm going to mulligan this, even though we have the Tumble Magnet and Disperse. This deck can do so much better. This isn't much better, but at least it's got a couple of creatures if we draw another planes, which we should, since we have eight more planes to draw. And once again we have the Tumble Magnet. Okay, Cavalier. This might be the artifact sacrificial deck that I said that I didn't like, and this person has managed to make something of it. We'll see the following turns if he goes cerebral eruption and whatnot and just bashes our heads in. Next turn will be the Sky Guard, just to have a flyer, and the turn after that it will be most likely it will be Kemba himself or herself. Oh, archers. Changes things a little bit. We'll go with Kemba this turn because she's a bit large backside. Our opponent has 4 creatures out on turn 3. All of them are very small. Still, they can be annoying if he gets to Metalcraft for the Carapatch Forger and whatnot. The Forger attacks. I can't see anyone attacking unless they've also got Pump Spell or a Bolt. Either way, I'm fine trading this for Bolt. That's okay. It's a 2-for-1 and I don't have the equipment to really use Kemba yet. And he replaces it. This time I think, yeah, we'll go with the Kemba, gain some life, and he will most likely just bash with the Forger, and will once again block him, and then play the Replica, and will have stabilized. It seems like his deck is totally out of gas. So let's see here. I think no, let's see here. To avoid being devoid of Glintalk next turn by a Shatter or something like that, I'm going to just play 2 artifacts this turn, and next turn being able to return whichever suits my purposes most. So first we try the Glintalk. Okay. Yes, we'd like to return, and we return the Trigon. Then we have the Sky Guard to net us another 2 lives, and then next turn we can start bashing. Don't mind him blocking with the Zuri archers at all. And here's a Splice in Twain. No, a Darksteel Sentinel. Don't mind that really. It's not going to get past our Replica unless he has another removal spell for it. He's got no tricks in hand. Even he saw that it doesn't do anything for him. Um, so this turn, I think playing the Trigon and just starting the attack through the air. If he wants to block one of these creatures, it's fine. He didn't even want to block one of them. So that means that he'll come for 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. He is losing this trade-off in damage. So I'm just going to pump this up right away. Heartstoker, I think he'll go for the Sentinel with that. He might go for the Azuri Archer, even though that would be, yeah, the Sentinel. I actually think that if he attacks with anything else, no. Okay, I'll just take this. It's no problem. I was going to say that I actually would, I might, if he attacked with everything, I might block his Copperhorn Scout just to be rid of that annoyance. A Quarter Shield. Let's see here. If we play Tumble Magnet, tap down his Archer, bash with those two, pumping. Yeah, that's it. That's the deal. Definitely. So he's dead next turn unless he draws a removal spell. And if he draws a removal spell 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, he's far away from killing us with what's on board. We can even if he... Oh, that's no problem. He's got a horde of cheap creatures, but nothing to really make me scared of anything. it's like he's got the play all creatures you get deck. So he should just be dead now. Tap that. Pump this. Yeah, he's dead. What's he playing? Siege Initiative might be good against him, but there wasn't much that I'd be afraid of. So I'm just going to submit to the same deck. If he shows something that I want to count, I will side in the Stoic rebuttals, but so far there's been nothing to make me scared.